Here's a video on how to replace or remove fuel filter on Nissan Qashqai J11 1.5 diesel engine in 15 easy steps. Required tools: 10mm and 13mm socket, flat blade screwdriver, ratchet. 1. Remove the bolt and 2 nuts from the diesel filter housing using a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two, take the fuel filter housing out and detach the cables from it. Three, disconnect the gray plug. Four, disconnect the 2 hoses from the fuel filter. Put something under those hoses before you disconnect them to keep diesel fuel from running onto the engine. Fasten the 2 hoses securely. 5. Loosen the screw that tightens the collar from the diesel filter using a 10mm socket. 6. Remove the fuel filter. Using a flat blade screwdriver. 8. Remove that part from the old filter. The fuel filter from the Nissan Qashqai J11 1.5 diesel can also be found after the Series 164A0HV80A. Find the fuel filter for Nissan Qashqai J11, 2018 to 2022, 1.5 DCI below in the video description. Nine. Remove the plastic cap from the new filter. 10. Install the new O-ring that comes with the new fuel filter. Then install the plastic part on the new fuel filter. 12. Install the new filter on the car and connect the gray plug and the two hoses. "13. Tighten the collar back. 14. Refit the metal part back and fasten the two nuts and the bolt. 15. Turn the ignition on 5 or 6 times before starting the engine. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.